Hello class. In this video we are going to write a program named check credit that prompts the users to enter a purchase price for an item. If the value entered is greater than a credit limit of 8,000, display an error message. Otherwise, display approved. All right, let's go ahead and open up our Visual Studio. We are going to create a new project. This new project is a console app. We're going to name it check credit. Click next. Create, and yes, overwrite the old one. Let's get rid of the starter code. And let me get our prompt over here. Write a program named check credit that prompts the user to enter a purchase price of an item. Let's go ahead and take care of that real quick. So let's get this class. Actually, we're going to be using system, using static system.console. We're going to create our class of check credit. Open and close curly brace. We're going to have a static void main. Open and close curly bracket. And we're going to, let's see, what did it say? We're going to prompt users to enter a purchase price for an item. All right, so we need a price. So that's going to be a double price is going to equal whatever our user is going to have. So we're not going to equal it to anything right now. We're going to just initialize the variable or declare the variable. We're not initializing it yet. So we have our price, and what else we're going to do? Let's go ahead and prompt our user. We're going to do a write line or a write, and we're going to ask our user to enter a purchase price. When they enter that purchase price, whatever that is going to be assigned to the price variable. So price is going to equal convert dot to double whatever is in the read line. So that's going to be the purchase price. And what else we're going to do? If the value entered is greater than a credit limit of 8,000. So we need to have a limit of 8,000. So let's go up here by the price. We're going to create a constant double variable, and that is going to be called the limit. And that's going to equal 8,000. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to take that price, check it against the limit. So if the price is less than or equal to, I'm just going to say less than the limit. If the price is less than the limit, then we are going to have a write line, and it's going to tell our user that this is approved. And then we're going to have a else statement. In the else statement, we don't need to have any kind of checker or anything like that, because else is just whatever's left. If the price is under the limit, then whatever's left is going to be over the limit. And we can do a write line here that just says something like denied. Is that what they ask us for? Display an error message, otherwise display approved. Okay, so yeah, that'll work. Let's go ahead and run this program. Let's do a purchase price. Oh, something happened. Price equals convert dot to double. Unable to cast object. Okay. So we have some issues going on. Let's stop everything. Run it one more time just to make sure that it really doesn't like it. Okay, it does not like this. Price equals convert dot to double readline. Oh, that's why. That's why. So readline is a function all on its own. I forgot to put the parentheses there. Silly me. Let's run it one more time. Purchase price, let's do 7,999, right below the limit. It's approved. Let's run it one more time. Let's go right above the limit, 8,001, denied. Well, based off this, do you think if I put 8,000 exactly, if it will be approved or denied? Let's find out. 7,000. It is denied because I didn't put less than or equal to. I put less than. So it could be 7,999.9999999, however many nines you want to put. It'll be approved, but as soon as you reach 8,000, it will say denied. Okay, let me know if you have any questions over this exercise, and we will see you in the next video. You have a good day.